Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing an ignition cutoff here on a C30 engine, here on an MDF model. Enjoy the video.
4 drill holes completed. Next is 4 rivets. Here are 4 rivets. Oh, do they even fit? Oh no, I need to size up. We're gonna check again. Almost. We got the holes drilled now. Had help from the boss man for this big hole. But now the next step is to rivet these 4. Carrie, who are you shushing?
I heard something outside.
Oh, okay. Anyway. Rivet these. Oh, this is in the way, so I'll have to remove these wires.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. For the Clicos?
Yeah.
I already have them.
Okay.
I already got for your box.
Oh, you already have my pliers.
Yeah.
Got it.
So this is a hand rivet tool. I opted to use this instead of the air rivet gun. I just felt like I had a little bit more control over the rivets when pressing them in, so I went ahead and used this tool instead. For any armchair mechanics out there interested in what the rivets look like after I completed putting the rivets in with the tool, this is what it looks like.
Alright, so I got this installed. Now it's time for the switch. Switch is gonna fit perfectly in there. Show ya. Oh, there you go, perfect. Won't even rotate because of the little tooth in there. And then for the stack, we're gonna do switch lock washer. That in here. And then we'll take this switch. And tighten that down. And it's a little loose. I'm gonna need to tighten that up. But I need a certain size wrench for that. Okay, I snugged it down. It's a 14mm wrench. That's the only one that worked. The half didn't work, and the 9/16 didn't work, but a 14mm did. Looks pretty good, staying in place. Switch works, cut off. That works. Staying in place, feels snug. So, I like the way that looks. We're gonna disassemble it because we need the switch out in order to do the wiring. I don't want to do that with this on the helicopter. It's gonna make it a little bit difficult, but I'll take this off and then we'll go to the wiring portion. So I got the switch here. Keyways here on the bottom with the switch in the bottom, which is supposed to be in the run position. The last switch wasn't doing that, but we got it here. This is going to be our power wire. It's going to go in and then go along to the stop side, and then this is going to go to the engine. We're not going to solder anything here because that's supposed to be open for our little disconnect, so that won't go anywhere. So we just got to wire 2 wires to one side here and then the other here to this middle terminal. Heat shrink it and then we'll install it. Have to splice into the other circuit, but I'll show you guys that in a little bit. So I got the solder bead down. I had to stop recording because this was getting into my face, the camera was, but I got it down. My solder iron was a little bit too cold, so I turned it up a little bit, and then that just melted the bead right in here on both sides. So that one's good to go. Now I gotta do this top one and then install that into the helicopter. You always want to blow on it, because if you don't, and you have it too hot, the wire's going to come out. That's what it looks like. Pretty good. I'd say better than my second one. Or my first one, I mean. Alright, let's head to the helicopter. I like that. That looks really good. And tighten that down just a little bit more. Nice. That is snug. So I'm gonna rotate. Switch is on. Got the switch and everything installed. All the wires correct, crimps on. Switch is good. We're in the isolate position, so let's go ahead and test that. So if we turn the battery on and it auto reignite, we shouldn't hear a sound. No sound. No reignition sound. If we go over here, make it live, we should hear clicking. There you go. So that's done. Just gotta zip tie everything back up, put this back, and then that's all for the switch. Whoa!
I'm here.
He has made it. Feet pics. So you returned it back to Craig, huh?
Why not?
You went to Craig and you said hi and checked in.
Craig's not there actually today.
Oh, wait, he's not there today?
No.
Where'd he go?
He got something, or some family thing. Was this box empty? Did you use all the parts?
I believe so.
Okay. So if we have any extras, we can save them for whatever maybe, I don't know.
I had extra wire and I kept that switch.
Oh yeah, that switch we could probably use, even though it's backwards.
Yeah.
Okay.
It would have been an issue if I rotated the doubler, but I didn't know that.
I like how it came pre-drilled though. It's nice.
Yeah, I like that too. That's nice of them. My gosh, these are so long.
Did you put the gasket on there too?
Oh no, I forgot about the gasket. Only gasket.
Gasket. gasket? Well, you're not.
Yeah. I ain't doing it off camera.
We'll see.
No camera.
There's no evidence of that, so.
True. There's no evidence of Abraham Lincoln doing a backflip either.
But he did it.
But he did it. Nice. Now, the heat shrink. Let's see. Black. Nice. Red. Oh my goodness. Get in there. Okay, Carrie, can you turn on the lights? Can you be a doll and turn on the lights? Please? Yay, it works. Ah, it's too bright. It's too much winning.
Okay. Why do you keep closing this door? You cold?
So the heat can stay in, duh.
It's not even that cold out here.
It's because you're a baby about the cold.
I'm not the one closing the door, baby.
You're the one wearing the big jacket. Yeah, you still turn on the heater. Yeah, that's why I put it on semi heat.
I literally am not even cold.
Good. Good. There you go. Yeah, I think I got it. All right, that's done. Nice.